Hello everyone. Um, I just got this idea for a video because it popped into my head, and I'm gonna do it. This is gonna be a BFDI character tier list. I added some tiers. The tier list was made by this person, Winged Spirit on Tier Maker. I changed the tiers though. So anyway, I'm just gonna start, and I added a G tier. That doesn't normally. I put a G tier because I'm just gonna put my least favorite character in the show there, and I know a lot of people love this character, but my least favorite character in the show is Pillow. I don't really like in Teapot how she just kills people a lot, and she's got some good moments, like when she told Pen to shut up in Teapot 12. But she made her team lose in Teapot 9, and I just don't really like her. So, yeah. Now I'm just gonna go down the list, kind of. F tier. You. Actually, not you. I take it back. Who do I not like here? There's nobody I really hate. So I guess for now I'm just gonna skip F tier until I find somebody that I actively dislike. Oh, him. Okay. Now on to E tier. I don't really like 8 Ball. I don't really like Foley. Who else do I? Oh shoot, Rocky's in F tier. I don't really like Nelly. Well, Nelly's actually fine. I'm gonna put Nelly in D tier, actually. That's not fine, but you get what I mean. Better than them. Who else do I dislike? Ice Cube in F tier. Okay, oh, Black Hole in E tier. And, yeah. Next, D tier. For me, these are just characters who I kind of think are bland. And, could be better. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put Clock in E, actually. Sorry, Eggy fans. Alright, now C tier. These characters are kind of mid. You know, actually, Katie's alright. Who's kind of mid? Woody. Nickel. I'm gonna go with Balloony. Same with Cloudy and Cake. And also, probably Loser. As well as, who else? Definitely Bommy. Bommy, I don't really find that intriguing. Same with Robot Flower. I'm gonna put Saw in D tier, actually. Stapy's gonna go and C. And, alright. I'm gonna B tier. I'm gonna put Bubble in B tier. Oh, what is David still doing here? He gets E. For B tier, I'm gonna put Bubble. And Elite Needle. Profiley, I like it. I thought he was funny. How he said he was there the whole time. Flower speaker box is C. Announcers B. Fiery speaker box is B. I'm gonna give Fiery a B. I think I'll give Dora a B. I think I'll give Evileafy a B. I'll give Bottle a C actually. I'll give Basketball a B. I'll give Lai a B. I'll give Eraser a B. And I don't really know. I'll give Donut a B, I think. Now we're on to people that I like. You know, there's probably a few other B tiers here. I think Taco's a B. I think you're a B. I think, okay, all these characters are really good. I'm gonna move on to A tier. In A tier, we're gonna have Blocky. We're gonna have Flower. Leafy. Coiny. You know, Match is gonna go in B. Pen's also gonna go in B, I think. Book will go in A. Teardrops A. I'm actually gonna put Spongy in B. Actually, I'll put Spongy in C. No, B. He's alright. I'm gonna put Snowball in A. We're gonna give Fries an A. Puffball in A. Gonna give Bracelety an A. What is Yellowface still doing here? He's a C. Tree is an A. 4 is an A. And now we're on to the S tiers. You can see them here. Some of these you probably disagree with me, or S tier. Golf ball is obviously S tier. Pencil's cool. Pin's cool. I like tennis ball. Gelatin. You know, for Ruby, Ruby's my favorite character. Fanny's an S. Fiery Junior's an S. Grassy's an S. Okay, a lot of you are gonna disagree with me for putting Grassy in X. I mean S, but I like Grassy. Why is Lightning an S? Hold up. Lightning's more of an A. Lollipop, S. Marker, S. Remote, S. X, S. And I'm actually gonna put Winner in A. Anyway, there's my full tier list. Pause the video now to see. This tier list may be a bit controversial. Especially with Pillow being the worst and Grassy being an S. But that's about it for this tier list video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this gets a lot of views and does good, maybe I'll make more tier lists. I don't know. Maybe I'll make an Inanimate Insanity tier list. Who knows? But anyway, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. That's about it. I will see you next time.